In this tutorial, we'll walk through the complete scan resumption workflow for the SkylandX MetaCam. This feature gives you ultimate flexibility when tackling large-scale projects, allowing you to simplify complex scanning routes and easily bypass single battery limits. Before we start, make sure your firmware and software are up to date. You can check your firmware and MetaCam Go app version by tapping the download icon on the app's home screen. For MetaCam Studio, the version number is located in the top left corner of the desktop window. For your initial scan, you don't need any special settings. Just scan as you normally would. End your first scan in a static, feature-rich area. When you're ready to resume, just start your next scan from that same spot. When you're ready for your next session, open the Create New Project window and toggle on the Scan Resumer. Select your previous project file from the list and tap Confirm. The scanner will run through its standard initialization. Once initialized, a status bar appears in the top left corner. This means the system is actively collecting environmental data to match your previous scan. At this point, stand at your continuation point and slowly rotate the scanner. Ensure full coverage of the surrounding spatial features, including the ground. Once the status updates to registration, you're good to go. From here, just follow your standard scanning best practices. Back in the office, use MetaCam Studio to merge your segments. You have two options. The first method is to process them one by one. Import your first scan, configure your parameters, and start processing. Do not check the resuming scan option for this project. You can open the result folder in advance at this point. Once complete, click Import and bring in your second scan. This time, check the resuming scan box. You'll need to set a reference point cloud. To do this, select the scan_resumer.las file located inside your first scan's result folder. For the reference trajectory, select the ODM file from that same folder. Adjust any other settings as needed and hit Confirm. Alternatively, you can use Batch to handle multiple segments at once. Click Choose Path to add all your files. Please note, it is absolutely crucial that the files are imported in the exact order they were scanned. Check Resuming Scan, configure your settings, and click Confirm to let the software do the work. Regardless of which method you used, all processed segments need to be stitched together using the Merge tool. Import your processed projects, set a save path, and hit Confirm. The software will handle the rest, delivering one complete unified point cloud.